Hello friends, it's Decor Mommy and I'm so excited and thankful that you could stop by. I do got a coffee station for you. But before that, I just want to thank you for your lovely comments and your thumbs up and subscribing to me. It really means a lot when I put videos out there and you guys enjoy them. And I'm very blessed for that. So thank you. Okay, so this is the little spot I want to use. If you saw my last video, I was not sure what to do with this little area, but I did get these from Hobby Lobby and I was trying to put some twine through them so I can make a little, I don't know, what do you call it, like a little banner kind of somewhat. So we'll see how that turns out. But this is how this looks. I'm gonna wipe it down and then I'm gonna get started. Okay, so we'll deal with this a little later. Right now I'm just gonna wipe everything down. Okay, so I brought my coffee Keurig here, but I accidentally pressed the button, which I'm not ready for it right now. Some flowers, not flowers. So I got these window clings from Dollar Tree, and I love DIYs, but sometimes I don't have time for them. So I'm gonna see if I could put it on this 99-cent store window. So we'll see how that turns out. Meanwhile, I got some straws. I got these straws during the summertime from the 99. Maybe I'll put my straws in here. And then also I got from the Target Dollar Spot, pumpkin spice and everything nice. Won't open those just yet. See, this is kind of small, so I'm not sure if I'm gonna keep that up there. I'm not sure how I'm gonna do it, but I'm just kind of messing around here. Thankful. The good thing is these don't stick on too much, so you can take them off if you change your mind. Something like that. So this is how my little window turned out. And I think you guys could put burlap, you could put all kinds of things on it. I might add a little bit more touches, but for the moment, this is kind of what I'm doing. This little plate that I got from the 99, so I'm gonna try to stick one of these on there just to see how it would look. And I did want to put some of this on here, but I need to look for some more. It does look adorable, so we'll see. So I put the window cling on the plate. That looks adorable. So this pumpkin spice tin, I got that at Michael's, and I'm just gonna put hazel. I should be getting pumpkin spice from my video. Shame on me. At the moment, I don't have it, but I will be getting some, and I'll putting these. So this is how this is turning out. And my little window with window clings, but I want to find some more of this. At the moment, this is what I have. And of course I could do it a different way. This isn't the only way. Just trying to see how things will look. I'm gonna add some of those pumpkins. Okay, so here we go. I got the 99-cent store mason jar, the little plate that I put window clings on, my little mug, my little window I did, my Hobby Lobby little pumpkins that I just hung up there. And guys, you gotta excuse me because I got nails in the back of here. Because I always change up my decor, so I just decided to leave them in there. But this is how this little area turned out, and I'm gonna show you a different way as well. And I got my little coffee things in there. So yeah, something a little different. And when you guys ain't got no banner, when you guys don't have a banner, simple little way just to try to make a banner really quick. So you see all these little cute flowers I hauled, not flowers, but you know what I'm talking about. It says pom-poms. All these artificial flower pom-poms, you know, cotton stems. I'm gonna try to incorporate them in here and put them in a little thing. So we'll see how that is. So here it is, but I thought it was missing a little something. So I'm just gonna stick this little cute thing on there. And by the way, I will show you what's in my little dishes back there. And I did also get that Home Sweet Home mason jar from the 99-cent store as well. So I'm thinking to just add maybe this now to give it a different look, the fall up there. I went ahead and changed it out. I added the window up there, and then the plate up there, and I added the flowers here. Not the flowers, but the artificial pom-poms and cotton stems. I don't know if you guys have seen these at the Dollar Tree. I think they're so cute, and I just added a little pumpkin in there. So we'll see how it looks when I add this. I might just try to do everything all white. Okay guys, so let's come over here to my little area. I have some of my little dishes in here. In there. That's what that looks like. And this is my little coffee area. As you can see, I'm transitioning and changing the decor into more of this kind of style, which is like what is it? I was thinking of adding this on that window, but I'm not sure. Why change out maybe those window clings? I kind of wanted to add some lights in it to see what it would look like, and because I'm already trying to change it out already, just to give you like, or just to show you a second way. I just really like how that turned out. It looks really cute, to me at least. What do you guys think? Easy? Very easy. So there's my little cups. I went ahead and added those. My happy pumpkin spice. My mug, the plate, the window, the Hobby Lobby sign. I was just decorating this little cute hutch I got. And I was gonna put these little candles in a mason jar, but the whole candle spilled in there and it was hot, so it's like hot wax. So I just wanted to show you how everything is looking on this little hutch. It's looking really cute with the burlap behind it. I got this little burlap here, and I was thinking you could even put it in back of this window. And then I was also thinking of changing out the lettering. So we'll see, but I kind of like it behind the burlap. Looking cute. So again, the stickers are from Dollar Tree, the lighting Dollar Tree, picture frame is from the 99, burlap as well is from 99. Oh, it's coming out so far, this little frame, and I think I'm going to be painting some pumpkins white. Ahead and just put a couple pumpkins there, and that is the white ones that I painted. And I got pumpkin spice latte, little chalkboard. I got some of these cappuccinos to put in my Keurig, and I got my little banner. I wanted to stick some little flowers in here maybe. Who knows, I still might. And this is the other Be Grateful sign with the Dollar Tree stickers I just put on there. And I just went ahead and hung that and that little towel I got from Ross. And that's how it is. This is what it's still looking like. I just took out the basket and I added, you know those orange pumpkins? I went ahead and chalk painted that. Added a little ribbon to it. But I think I might like the basket a little better. And my fan is on because I had a little accident, as you guys could see.